Welcome to Math Talk, everyone's favorite math show, and we're gonna have a great time. We have a guest here, Ulysses L. Brule, professor. Get it coming up. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about equations with Ulysses. Ulysses, it's been a long time. Well, I've been real well. You know, you got the wife and the kids, ball and chain, you know. But I like my kids. Don't love them. I just like them. Yeah, well, I'm feeling it. I'm ready to learn about some equations, you know. I gotta shape up my skills. It's been a long time since algebra, and I am ready to get into it again. So, Ulysses, teach away. Alright, so we're going to be learning about equations today. They're pretty simple. I'm taking a lot of math classes. This is pretty, how I say, elementary topic. But we're going to teach it for people like you. You're one of them. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to pull out my notepad. Alright. And then we're going to write down some equations. Alright. Please call PPC Lubricants, Inc. They're my sponsor. Anyways, so, this is a piece of paper, right? Do you understand? Yeah. Of course you don't. Alright, so I'm going to write a sample equation. I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to explain how I did it, okay? Okay, you getting that, camera guy?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. He made a funny gesture behind the camera. Alright, so here we go. Let me write a sample equation real quick. Alright, so what we got here is, zoom in. I don't know if you can read my doctor handwriting, but 2x equals 4x minus 7 plus 1. Pretty simple. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Alright, so first, what are you supposed to do? Well, you have to put the x's on one side and these little numbers here on the other. Pretty simple. So, what you do is I want to get this x over here. You getting that, camera guy?
Yeah.
Alright, so what am I going to do first, kids? Alright, so minus, let me do this real quick. It's kind of hard to see from my angle. Alright, so here we go. There we go. Alright, so what we have here is we took this 4x and you got to do the opposite. It's a positive, so you got to negative. So you just minus 4x to get over here. And what is 2 minus 4x, guys? Negative 2. Alright, so negative 2. And we still have an x. Don't worry. It's not that hard. I didn't go to grad school for nothing. Camera guy, you're really a trip, aren't you? Now, so what we have here is, this is our equation right now. Take a look. Just take a look. Alright, so you are a trip camera guy. You are funny. You should be a comedian. Alright, so, anyways, if you look at the equation, it says negative 2x equals 7 plus 1. Now, what is 7 plus 1? I mean, negative 7 plus 1? Come on, we learned this, guys. We covered this in class. Yeah, alright, so negative 7 plus 1 equals negative 6. At least in my book. Never mind. So negative 6, we're going to put that down there so we all have our work here and we can keep track of what we're doing. And alright, so negative 2x equals negative 6. You got that, camera guy?
Yeah.
You are a funny cameraman. I mean, seriously, you should be a comedian. Alright, so negative 2x equals negative 6. What are we going to divide by here to isolate x? That's the question. And I'll answer it. What you need to do is divide by the coefficient, negative 2. So we're going to divide negative 2x by negative 2. You follow me, camera guy?
Yeah.
Oh, you are... Alright, so, we're going to divide by negative 2. You can see that, camera guy?
Yes.
Oh, you... camera guy. Alright, so, what we do here, we're going to end up with an x. Simple as that. Every time you divide by the coefficient, you're going to get x. And that's what you want. You want to isolate x, and that's all you have. Alright. So x equals... Wait, we missed something. Word alert. Ring, ring, ring. Alright. We need to divide both sides by the same number. So, we're going to divide negative 6. You getting this? Alright, never mind. Hey, you are funny, camera guy. Alright, negative 2. We're going to divide by negative 2. And what do we get when we divide negative 6 by negative 2? 3. Very good. Alright, so, well, thank you so much. You know, I didn't really realize how unaware I was about math. So, I really thank you. Some say it's a simple subject. I do not think so. Ulysses, you've been great. Commercial break. We're back. So we're gonna have some weather. The weather today, cloudy, tornadoes, cyclones, whatever you want to call them. Truth of the matter is, tornadoes are no joke, and stay indoors at all times. That's all we have for today. One more time. I never tried to make you think, let you see one day. Well. Well, did you catch the mistake? Well, did you catch my mistake? Bet you didn't. I said negative 3, but when you divide two negatives, you're going to get a positive. Those are some great jokes. Now, we're going to go for a commercial break. We'll be right back. Yes, it's a great joke.